Hello teacher. Are you creating a lesson plan in Google Docs and looking for the most up-to-date information to include? Google Docs research tool allows you to quickly search for information without leaving the document. Click on the Explore tool icon in the bottom right corner of your doc and perform a search. You can type in a word from your document. For example, I would be typing the word lava and then the various links will appear and it allows you to give more information about the topic. You can even scroll down and research from other sites for more information. You can add images from the research tool and save to your Google Drive directly. The research tool on Google Docs sources information from credible websites and it can be easily integrated into the document. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.